Okay, now you finally decided to renew your apartment, and I'm very happy for you because you're thinking to paint your bedroom, kitchen, some furniture, garage door, and many more. And of course, you are looking for a reliable and easy way in order to paint that. Now, the easiest way to paint something is using an electric paint spray gun that I have right here that was sent to me for evaluation purposes. But of course, I'll be more than glad to share my own experience and hands-on this masterpiece. Eventually, this one comes with a cord. Basically, you're gonna need electricity in order to make it work. Some of them comes already with a battery that you can easily use remotely. But I'm gonna tell you the truth, I had one like that, and I know that the wired one is much better because eventually you have all the pressure that you need in order to perform a job. Of course, you're gonna be able to easily use water-based or oil-based, but you're gonna need to get that paint very thin in order to go as water through the gun. Of course, super easy to set up with different nozzles depending on what you're gonna paint, because eventually this one comes with 4 nozzles that you can easily substitute and change in order to adjust to your needs. Of course, in the set you're gonna find everything that you need in order to make the experience of that super easy. Eventually a filter for the paint and a pourer. Eventually, if it goes through the pourer, then it's thin enough in order to do so. And of course, 4 nozzles in order to change and adjust. And of course, you're going to be able to easily adjust the spray horizontal or vertical by switching the front. And of course, adjust the pressure on the side, and of course, make it work in order to blow. Now, in order to do so, we're gonna need some paint, which I'm gonna pour right here. And of course, for that, we have some gloves and protection, because every time you are performing a job with spray paint, you need to protect your eyes and hands eventually. And of course, I have already some paint that is thinned in order to add right here. And eventually, afterwards, to paint something on the back to show you how it works and eventually the efficiency of that. So stay with me. So eventually I have some paint right here in the bucket, and I'm gonna use the source on the bucket so I don't spill something around. So as you can see, with the pourer and the filter, I'm using in order to pour the paint inside eventually. And of course, it's gonna take some time in order to get the right amount, because you're gonna need probably like a half of it in order to do so. But make sure it's thin enough, because if it's gonna be thick, then eventually you're not gonna be able to spray. Of course, you can go much faster. The pourer is a test to see if it's thin enough. And of course, right now you can easily pour the rest in order to get the right amount that you need in order to paint your room. Alright, so as mentioned to you earlier, you're gonna need protection for your hands if you don't want to get them washed every time. So all those parts are detachable. Basically, you're gonna be able to easily remove this part only in order to wash it. And of course, all the nozzles and everything that you have on this side in order to clean them precisely, even with the needle that comes in the set, in order to smash the whole of it. Now, you're gonna place the container on the spray gun in order to seal it eventually. And of course, adjust the front depending on the position that you are trying to paint. Of course, adjust it to the maximum or minimum pressure that you need in order to perform the painting. So what I was trying to say, that horizontal or vertical, depending on your needs, you're gonna turn this one in order to paint. Now eventually, vertical. And I'm gonna switch to horizontal again, because eventually goes side to side. Basically, in a couple of seconds, I was able to cover a surface. Now imagine the possibilities when you are painting a wall. You're going to be able to easily go faster in order to finish that work, because eventually with the brush, it's going to take you some time. But now that you have an electric spray painter, then you're going to be able to easily finish your renewal faster than you imagine. So if you guys Guys, if you guys are looking to renew something, you should definitely have to consider a tool like that, because this one is definitely a recommendation from me.